And now, if we're talking about the peso, every time the peso weakens, people panic. At what point should we actually be worried? And at what point is a weaker peso simply part of how the economy adjusts?
Yeah, but that's quite a hot topic right now, no?
Yeah.
About the peso. Okay, a weaker peso is not automatically bad news. Okay, you
Okay.
know the correct answer to most economic questions is it depends. Okay, but most of the time, it's the economy absorbing global shocks. Okay, so that growth and jobs do not take the full hit. Okay, now the real danger here isn't really depreciation per se, no, but it's more of the loss of confidence. Okay, and confidence depends less on exchange rate itself than on whether policy looks calm, credible, and ahead of events. Okay, so I think not our institutions, specifically the BSP, no, is on top of this. Okay? But confidence really is an important thing that matters more, no, than the depreciation per se.